Hey guys, welcome back to a brand new video. Tonight we are going to be unboxing The Child with The Cup, or with Cup actually. So cool. I'm a huge fan of The Mandalorian. I'm watching season 2 right now. The first 2 episodes are out on Disney Plus. If you guys don't have Disney Plus, I'd recommend getting it if you guys like Star Wars, especially if you guys like The Mandalorian. Like I love I already have all the other Star Wars films on like Blu-ray and stuff, so I don't have to worry about watching those, but I really do love The Mandalorian. It's something new and it's refreshing, and I like it more than most of the other Star Wars properties. I think the only thing I like more than The Mandalorian is the original films, the original trilogy. Here's the back of the box. You can see the rest of the cast from the first season. So not much has changed from when we originally got the Funko Pops, when they originally came out. I think the only difference is these 3 down here and possibly this one. I think that's the only difference between the original lineup of Pops and then this lineup. So not too bad. This Pop was about $12.50 at Hot Topic. He was part of the 3 for $27. That is no longer going on. Without further ado, guys, I want to get right into this. So here we go. This is The Child with Cup. All right, here we have The Child with a Cup. So cute. There are different versions of The Child that came out. I might talk about this in the beginning of the video, but if not, I'll talk about it now. There are different versions of The Child that did come out. There's one where he has like nothing in his hands. There's one where I think he's like eating, I think it's like a frog or something. There's this one with the cup. And then I think there's one also from GameStop where he's holding the like little Mandalorian like symbol. And then there's a few other ones coming out as well. So there's a lot of different versions of The Child available. There's a few that I bought from the shopdisney.com, which I think is one more of The Child that I bought where he's like in his like carriage. And then I bought one with the Mandalorian flying off with the child, which is, there's also a 10-inch of that too. So if you're a big fan of the Child, there are tons of different Child Pops. Here he is to the side. I have to say, some of my favorite memes are of him with this cup. Like there's so many people who have like memes of him where it's like sipping my tea or whatever. Like I love that. Like it's so funny. He's become such a big part of the Star Wars family culture, I think, you know, when it comes to memes and the popularity. He's really shot up there very fast. Like I don't know what it is with people's fascination with like child things, like little babies or whatever, but people just love him. I mean, I think I love the Child in my own way too, because he's cute. He reminds me of like a Furby or something. I grew up with Furbies, so he reminds me of like a gremlin, a really cute gremlin, or you know, things like that. So I think that's why. And he has a lot of charm. I've noticed so far in season 2, I don't want to spoil anything, but I've noticed so far in season 2, like he's making more sounds, he's doing a little bit more cutesy things. It's like borderline campy, but it's cute and we like it. And I think it's just going to really help his character. Not that he needs it, but I think it will definitely give his character more than just like a cute factor. It's going to really help, I think, with personal development. This is The Child to the back. Again, I'm a huge fan of the color green, and I love the like minty green that he is. Like I don't know. I like his green. I really do. He's a different color from Yoda, I believe. I have a Yoda Funko too somewhere, and I think he's a darker green. That could be just because he's aged more. Like I don't know if like, you know, like I know people's color change when they age as well. Like, you know, some people get darker, some people get lighter with age. Things happen. But I've noticed that he and Yoda are very different colors. So I like that. I don't know why he's such a like a palish green, but it looks really nice. I really do like the green that they used for the Child. So maybe as he ages, he might look a little bit darker, like Yoda did with a darker green. But I don't know. I like it a lot, and I love the colors that he's wearing too. Like here he is to the side. To the side, he looks a tad bit worried, doesn't he? Just a little bit, like a little bit of worry in his face. I don't know, maybe I'm tripping, but that's what he kind of looks like. Also, I love that his head doesn't bobble too much. I think that was one of my biggest pet peeves with like the Star Wars characters and the like Marvel characters when I was first collecting Funkos, because I noticed like, you know, the DC characters, the Disney ones, they don't have bobble heads. So I was never, even as a child, I was never really a big fan of things that had like a bobbly head. I didn't like them. But I have so many Star Wars Pops and X-Men Pops and Marvel Pops in general, and most of them, or all of them pretty much, are bobbleheads. So, but I like that his head doesn't bobble very much. I can move him from side to side without too much of the bobbling going on. A lot of the Marvel characters and the Star Wars characters are not like that. Once you move them, like, you know, like the adult characters, so like the Hulk is a really good example of like a Pop that anytime I move it to do like my side to side and stuff, the head will just shake. Because just all the movement. So I love that it has like minimal movement. All right, guys, here he is back to center. He was part of my 3 for $27 at Hot Topic. I do believe that promotion is over. I think now they're in Hot Cash or something like that. I'm pretty sure they are. I haven't been to really use it, but I think they're doing the Hot Cash at the moment. So there won't be a 3 for $27. I don't know when that's gonna come back. But yeah, I got him there, and I think there's still more of him because when I was there were quite a few left. It's either that one or the one with the frog in his mouth. There's a lot of that one in different stores, in GameStop, Hot Topic. I've seen, I think, even in Barnes & Noble. So there's definitely a lot of that pop. So if you're looking for a child pop and you don't really care which one, you'll probably find that one, or you could potentially find this one too. Hopefully you do, if this is the one that you guys want. Guys, thank you so much all for your likes, your follow, subscribe. Thank you for sharing. If you're not subscribed to the channel yet, you already know what to do. Make sure to hit that subscribe button. Make sure to ring that bell for notifications and leave me a nice big like on this video. Lets me know you guys like the work that I'm coming out with. There's so much more to get into. I have one more Mandalorian video coming your way of my 10-inch of the child, and I will see you guys in that video. Have a great day. Peace. I'm just a loser, shouldn't be with ya.